has been some tickling between Muhoozi and Norbert Mao. Muhoozi, the CDF, had to reply to a post from Minister Norbert Mao. Mao screenshotted a long list of posts from Muhoozi and Balaam, like the way we used to do, and then posted saying, Bagenzi, everyone needs a Balaam in this life. What do you think? Inside those posts, there is a post by Muhoozi. Instead, you should ask me, how does it feel to be a CDF of UPDF? Then I will tell you, exhilarating, thrilling, and exciting. It's the best job in the world without a doubt. Then Balaam Atenyi replied that CDF is the best job on earth. Muhoozi Kangaba earlier also had stated that it is very boring to be a president's son. After a concern from the concerned citizen said, how does it feel being a president's son? He said it is very boring. Then Balaam also said, I agree, extremely boring. So in other words, Balaam agrees to everything that Muhoozi says. Everything that Muhoozi says. Now when Muhoozi said, what about a Norbert Mao? Because Mao had said, everyone needs a Balaam in this life. Then Muhoozi replied, what about a Norbert Mao? I thought you were my wingman. Then Balaam said, hey, Supreme Leader Muhoozi, let's keep our eyes on the prize. Our mission to secure the State House once Muhoozi retires remains unwavering, unaffected by public opinions. So this is it. And Norbert Mao has just hit back on the 13th of March, meaning today, and just a few minutes ago. Mao said a sincere wingman. For those unfamiliar with Air Force language, a wingman flies alongside the leader of a flying formation, providing mutual support and backup in the accomplishment of a mission. When in combat, he has to be real and hold the formation leader to a high standard. Mao replying to Muhoozi that he is a sincere wingman. And then also something about this current election, the election to replace Segrenya in Kawempe. Muhoozi said, who is winning that small by-election in Kawempe North? Then Honorable Balaam said, Honorable Nambi of NRM with 58% projected to win. So Balaam predicts NRM to win an election which the CDF Muhoozi is calling small election.